Hey everyone, it's Brandon from FlowPath. Wanted to make a quick video here for you for our Insights Suite. So the Insights Suite can be found with the little graph icon on the left-hand side of your nav. And once you come to it, you can see there are some default modules here that show up. So by default, there are 6 modules, but we've added some functionality here that you can customize this really however you'd like. So feel free to drag and drop different graphs in different directions, and you can hide different sections as well or show them. So if I didn't want to see any vendor or financial graphs, they will disappear from the modules. Or if I wanted to focus on my labor hours or PM work orders, then I can add those as well. So now that I've customized my Insight Suite to myself, I can now see high level what's going on for inventory, PM work orders in general, equipment, labor hours. We also have the vendor and financial. We also have this generated reports section. So each of these sections can be expanded. So if you head into, we'll go into work orders here, this little gray button on the top right. So each of these sections can be expanded to really dive into your metrics. So all come with default KPIs at the top here, and all have a sidebar here where you can layer on different filters. So say I wanted to see the past 90 days, I wanted to see all PMs that have been created. If I needed to see a certain account or location or equipment, vendors, users, category, equipment category, there's a number of different filters that you can really start to dive into your data. So you can see the graph here of the trends, and you can also see the raw Excel data here down at the bottom. So there's 2 main actions you can do here. One is save this report to be generated later or download now. So saving the report to be generated later will be emailed to your inbox on whatever cadence you'd like. So you can select every 2 weeks, starting on next Friday, I would like this report to be saved and then generated to me and sent to my inbox every 2 weeks. So if we head back over to the reporting section and we can open up the generated reports, you will get a link you get a CSV of all of that data, but every single report that's ever emailed to you and generated will be saved here under your generated reports. So you can even download it or go view that again in the reporting suite.